you in 10 minutes or less. Gathering here, today we will see 4 incredibly fast and effective tips. Each of these tips will take less than 10 minutes to complete and will be extremely effective. Yes, today I will share with you my secret. We will see to help flush out extra creatinine, 1 to get rid of proteinuria, 1 for uremic toxins, and more. So let's start by decreasing creatinine naturally. We'll do that in just 10 minutes with the help of this powerful cleansing smoothie. Let's take a look. So let's put in the blender 1 stalk of celery. Celery is the best friend of your urinary tract and kidneys. This calorie-free veggie is rich in fiber, great to slow down carb absorption. And celery also contains a unique chemical called butyl phthalate, which research suggests has strong diuretic properties. Even this small amount of celery will be able to gently stimulate the kidneys to excrete more urine and flush away excess water and salt. Great to lower your blood pressure and creatinine levels. Second ingredient, 1 whole lemon, preferably organic. Now, if you know me, you already know that I don't want you to throw away a single part of the lemon. Did you know lemon peel contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins than lemon itself? Lemon peels also have some healthy enzymes which help us to live a healthier life. And what about the seeds? Oh, while many seeds are actually harmful, and I'm talking about apple seeds, but also cherry seeds and more, lemon seeds are not just perfectly safe, they are good for you. Lemon seeds are typically used in beauty products, pharmaceuticals, and vitamin supplements. Researchers believe lemon seeds help improve digestive health, treat skin problems due to their antibacterial properties. They are also richer in vitamin C than lemon juice. Next ingredient is half apple. Just like lemons, apples have powerful cholesterol-lowering and anti-diabetes properties. Notice that I have also used the peel from the apple. Now, this detoxing smoothie is also perfectly suitable for those with diabetes. It's full of fiber and the carbs are all low on the glycemic index. And to make it even better, let's add some healthy fats now. And what's healthier than flaxseed, which is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids? It may even help reducing the inflammation caused by kidney disease. Let's add 2 tablespoons in our smoothie. Next, a secret ingredient with excellent detoxing properties, psyllium husk. This special fiber supplement is incredibly useful to keep the kidneys free from toxins because it binds to and absorbs to uremic toxins in the gut. This really spares a lot of work for the kidneys. Last ingredient is parsley. This herb has impressive cleansing benefits. It detoxes the kidneys because it's a natural diuretic, which also helps with bloating and high blood pressure. Parsley is also used by naturopaths to treat urinary tract infections and kidney and bladder stones. Now let's add some ice cubes and start mixing with just a little bit of water. Let's mix everything for a couple of minutes or until smooth. Ready to drink. This is for 2 servings, but you can easily store it up in the fridge for up to 2 days. Second tip, time now to detox something even more dangerous than creatinine, heavy metals.
Wait, what?
Now, many people underestimate the dangers linked to heavy metals because they believe they are not exposed to them. But let me tell you one thing. If you have a reduced kidney function, heavy metals may be a serious issue and you really don't want those toxins to pile up. You see, the kidneys are the organ proposed to removing heavy metals from the body. Now, when it comes to heavy metals, there are many substances that can cause damage, such as mercury, arsenic, lead, and aluminum. But luckily for us, exposure to this is pretty rare and it's not worth worrying too much about them. On the other hand, there is one heavy metal that's particularly dangerous for those with kidney disease, which is cadmium. The main danger of cadmium poisoning is irreversible damage of the canals within the kidney, which is called renal tubular dysfunction. Cadmium has a half-life of 10 years and 50% of its total body load in the kidneys. So the kidneys of those with CKD are really in danger. What not many people know about cadmium is that modern society exposes us to huge amounts of cadmium every day. Cigarette smokers are those more in danger, even those who smoke secondhand, but also eating foods grown with pesticides may put you in danger. And while avoiding these two sources of exposure is a good way to detox cadmium, there is one simple ingredient that probably many of you already use in cooking that can protect your kidneys from the worst heavy metal in existence. This is ginger. Guys, using this simple staple food as a way of protecting your kidneys should be a prerogative for anyone aiming to improve their kidney function. Ginger is not just one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods you can find, it also protects the kidneys from cadmium. Including ginger in your diet will take you less than 10 minutes, and it's one of the most powerful ways of detoxing cadmium. You can use it as a spice in cooking, you can include it in smoothies and juices, and you can simply cut it in small pieces and eat it. And you can even find the extract in supplement form. I would personally aim to eat around 3 to 4 grams of ginger every day. Remember that ginger can also be eaten to ease nausea fast, which is incredibly useful, especially for those that are suffering from nausea as a consequence of kidney disease. But as we have seen, the main reason why you want more ginger in your diet is cadmium. And obviously consider stop smoking and eating organic foods to reduce the exposure to cadmium. Now guys, I've talked more in depth about how to decrease exposure to toxins in my video about one of the greatest doctors of natural medicine in the world. Dr. Pizzorno is famous for his book, The Toxin Solution, and he shared with us how kidney disease patients may improve their kidney function by decreasing toxin exposure in this video up here and also down in the description. Time now to see a remedy with the most powerful detoxing properties. This remedy can be used to decrease proteinuria levels by more than a third. Proteinuria is an extremely important marker of kidney health. It's actually a predictor of kidney function decline. When there is too much protein in the urine compared to what's normal in the stage of kidney disease you're in, it means your kidney function is going to decline fast. It's clear that we want to detox and remove this dangerous score in the most effective way. And to help our kidneys doing so, there is only one thing that works in 10 minutes or less. This little fungus you see here, cordyceps. In a review of 22 studies on cordyceps, almost 1,000 CKD patients were found to have significantly lowered their creatinine levels, improved many other markers of kidney health, including hemoglobin and serum albumin levels. This basically means an all-around improvement in kidney health and kidney function. And they reduced their proteinuria or ACR levels by more than a third in just 3 months. Incredible! Now when it comes to taking cordyceps, I really like making tea with them. But if you don't have the time, what you can do is taking cordyceps extract. Cordyceps extract has very interesting properties in fighting inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and in reducing fatigue. It also contains a special type of sugar that may help treat diabetes. Now, to choose the perfect cordyceps supplement, you want to look at the amount of cordycepin it contains. Cordyceps extract may be made to guarantee a certain amount of cordycepin, the most powerful active ingredient in this fungus. This is important because in one of the most complete studies on cordyceps for CKD, researchers were able to isolate what components of the cordyceps can treat kidney problems, which is cordycepin. So, if you want to buy cordyceps in extract form, double check that the producer was able to certify cordycepin percentage. Okay, next thing we want to take care of, uremic toxins. This is the kind of score that should not be present in the blood but only in the urine, hence the name uremic toxin, but that it is actually present in the blood of those with kidney disease. Uremic toxins are the cause of the main symptoms of CKD, and we need a really powerful detoxifier to get rid of them. No kidney detox will be complete without doing this. By the way, finding a way to remove these toxins naturally on a daily basis is something I recommend every single kidney disease patient, and what I prefer to use to do that is acacia fiber. You can start detoxing your kidneys with acacia fiber in less than 10 minutes by just drinking it with a large glass of water, preferably before meals and away from any medication. Acacia fiber is the gum that's naturally exuded by the acacia tree. It's a 100% vegetable and natural non-genetically modified remedy which is often used as a food additive, so you probably already had some without knowing it. The reason why acacia fiber is interesting to us is its ability to actually absorb uremic toxins in the intestines. When taken orally in the therapeutic dosages, acacia fiber can effectively protect the kidneys and decrease uremic symptoms by acting as an intestinal form of dialysis. Now guys, if you want to know more about acacia fiber, there is a link down in the description where you can buy it from the best brands and also find all you need to know about dosages and more. Check it out! And you can also use it as a part of a very healthy smoothie. Great to start the day! If you want to know more, watch this video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless!